Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I'm so excited about this package that Dayspring just sent me, and I think it's the new Illustrating Bible. I'm excited to open it up, do the unboxing live with you, and just show you exactly this new Illustrating Bible that I think is in here. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'll open it this way. There's a, I always do that. There's a thing to pull it, open it up, and then I always rip that up. Oh my goodness, you guys. I hope that you'll stay with me to the end because I have a special surprise for you that I think that you guys will really enjoy. So this is the new Dayspring Illustrating Bible, and it is the book of Psalms and Proverbs. Yay! And it's such a beautiful melon color. I love it. This is so awesome. It comes packaged in just a clear poly sleeve. And it was so funny when they sent it to me. I didn't know they were sending it to me, and I had to look up on the Facebook group and find out what it was that they were sending me, so at least I would have a clue. At least I would have a clue. Oh, you guys, this is so beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the new Illustrating Bible. A few months ago, they released Luke, which it was a single. So this one is a double. It has Psalms and Proverbs together. It is the NIV version, and there's a free creative download included. So my understanding is you're going to get your choice of one of two. So there's two different downloads that they're going to be providing, and there's going to be some studies, illustrations, some challenge and hand lettering, and you get to choose. And I think there's a code. Yep. So there's a code that you will get when you get yours, and it'll be on the back of this thing. So I won't show that so that you guys don't know what the code is, but this is really cool. Okay, so it's $28.99 retail. It's the NIV translation with a 12-point font with a chipboard cover. And you guys, I love this color. Ooh, I'm so excited. Can you tell? And it's the Illustrating Bible, so it does have the spiral and it has the wide margins. Now your wide margins, I believe here, are 4 inches. However, because this is the Psalms and Proverbs, that you're probably going to get a lot more space. For example, this one here is about 5 inches. But typically, if you have a full length text, I'm just trying to see if I can actually find one that's a full length text, that would show you that you really only get theoretically you only get the 4 inches, but because it's Psalms and Proverbs, you're probably getting more. So this one here is pretty, it's like almost close to 4.5. Yeah, it's 4.5. I'm just trying to find it. Usually you would get the 4-inch margin, but this one's going to be greater than that, only because it's Psalms and Proverbs, I think. Let's see if I can see the, yeah. But if you're looking at it on the opposite side, so there's some text here, you can see that it is a 4-inch margin. So the 4-inch margin would be over here then. Here it is. Yep, so you do get your 4-inch margin, but if you're working on this side, on the right side, there's usually going to be more space there because of the way the words line up. So that's so exciting. Let's see what else is cool. This will be releasing on the 3rd of February, but you can pre-order it now. And you're going to be able to get those downloads. Again, I didn't get those downloads ahead of time, but I did make you a download, so this is really exciting. If you go ahead and click our link to purchase this, you're going to get a bonus download, and I'll show that to you in just a minute. But I'm just looking to see, it's got, you know, all the Proverbs in it. So you got the Proverbs here, and then you get all the Psalms. You guys, and this is a lot of pages. Let's see, 202 pages here of this really nicer, thicker paper. And if you have any questions on the Illustrating Bible, we have a ton of videos in our playlist on the Illustrating Bible. So I will link up to a blog post that will have everything that you need to know about the Illustrating Bible, including this, including the download that we're offering here at Bible Journaling Ministries. And I hope that really gets you excited about ordering this new Bible. This is beautiful, and I can just, oh, I just love this color. Oh, it's so beautiful. So then you have the Dayspring NIV on the back. Let's see what else is great about it. It's got the same features to it, the same illustrating Bible with the square logo. It's got that nice kind of suede-like chipboard cover. It's got the introduction page. You can also use this as a dedication page. It's got their copyright, and then it has the book of Psalms and Proverbs. It goes straight into Psalms, and then goes to Proverbs on page 150. And it goes all the way to the end. No other blank pages. It is really a simple but yet beautiful illustrating Bible. If you guys don't have an illustrating Bible, this is a great one to try. Now, for your bonuses, again, you get one bonus from Dayspring. It's a $5 value. They are going to sell, I think, 2 different bonuses, so you get your choice of one of the 2 that are each a $5 value. If you purchase using our link at Bible Journaling Ministries, so click the link in this post in the description on the blog, we are going to give you an additional free download, and that is totally matchy Psalm 62:1, and it's "My soul rests in God." And so you're going to get this one to print out that says, "My soul rests in God alone, my salvation is from him." I just love it, with a really cute coordinating. Now, they're not exactly, because I didn't have this in hand, so I kind of guessed at what it would look like, but they're pretty darn close. And then you're going to get your Faith cards to print out, as well as the third page, which is basically bigger elements to use, especially since there's so much space to use. I wanted to make sure that you had some really large elements to use. And so again, if you purchase using our affiliate link, you will get this extra download, and I will put all the information and links in the description for you. I really just think this is another just well done addition to the illustrating Bibles that they've already released. And to have this one, it's so portable. It's got that chipboard cover. It's easy. It's not very heavy. If we want to see the size, it's the same size as the other ones that I have shared with you. But it has this square kind of, it's square so that you can take pictures for Instagram and share the good news with everybody. So it's just really a great Bible. So this is rendering at about 9.5 wide by about 9.5 tall. And in terms of depth, let's see, looks to be about 3/4 of an inch essentially. So you guys, this is really beautiful. I hope that you like it as much as I like it. Again, click our link. If you decide to pre-order right now, they're doing pre-orders. If you click our link, we will get credit for it. Thank you so much for your support. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it really does help us out. Then you can help yourself to our free printable. Again, this is offered only by Bible Journaling Ministries and is available to those who are supporting our ministry through your purchase. All right, I hope this was really helpful and you have a wonderful day. Apparently, I need to go answer that text now. Goodbye.